Okay. Hello, Mr. Daniel, my brother. What are you doing here at this time, 8 p.m.?
Oh yeah, it's almost 6 p.m. You know why I wear like this in this premium workplace, premium car dealer shops I want to show you something,
What do you want to show me?
You
Wow.
wear like this when you want to collect new car because this is a premium off-road car.
Wow.
And once we collect this car, we're going to go off-road, okay?
Okay.
So let's go.
Okay, wait. Okay, I follow you. Walk slowly. You look very excited and very happy. Okay.
We look for... Yeah, hello. Oh yeah. Come, I'll show you, come.
Okay. Wow.
So this is the car.
What car is this? Wait now.
Drive
Oh.
all the way to Plakatam after this.
Right to Pulau Ketam, not to Port Dickson.
My understanding is that it's four-wheel off-road premium car.
Oh.
That's why we come like this and straight away go to Pantai, okay?
Okay, but wow.
It's the key here.
What color is this car?
This is called modern green.
Wow, very nice color. Wow, nice number. Look at the car.
It's locked, bro.
Wow.
It's locked.
Yeah. The owner have to open it. Oh.
Thank you, boss. Okay, come. When the key is near, the lights come on. Correct. And the door, you see? Door handle also come out already. You just open the knee. I show you inside. Why radio is on? Don't know why radio is on, but I don't know how to off it. Bro, how do I off the radio? Silent. Okay, come. Come. Nearer. Show you, yeah. We remove this. It's called unboxing the car.
Yes. Wow.
Unboxing the car. Unboxing the car. Yeah. The rest we do later lah. Wow. Okay, the rest we do later. It comes with two keys. So what we're going to do is that we will
Go
do
to the
a
back.
detailed inspection of this car first, so that we can collect the car. Check first, things are aligned. Right? Align. Check first.
Wait, stand here at the back. Okay.
Yeah.
Nearer to the car. Wow.
There's a button to press, right? Yeah. If I'm not mistaken, when you stand close by, it will beep. And it will also unlock when you step away. Fuel cap. This is RON 92 minimum, so it will be RON 95, 97. Yes. Okay lah. You give me a full tank Don't have.
No, later I follow you, then you pump the petrol.
Oh.
Yeah.
I thought you were going to pump from me.
Because you have to bring the cargo out first. Then
only you can drive out.
yes.
Oh, wow.
The first one is the owner.
Oh, just like that. That's why you cannot drive without me allowing it. So this is okay. 19-inch rim, right?
Yes.
What is this now? Scratch out.
Plastic.
Yeah, this is what you say we do a proper inspection to collect the car. Okay, the key is very big. Take a look at the key. Very big, and it got Jaecoo there.
So cool, huh?
So cool, huh?
Yeah. The number is very nice. Wow, special number plate.
Special purchase, bro.
Mm.
Special purchase. So let's take a look at it. Since we're gonna go off-road, right?
Passenger door, we want to open it. Later you have to ask them to take out all the plastic
Okay.
on the seats. Yeah. Opening.
Unboxing bro, unboxing.
Wow, nice smell.
There's a few
Bau kedai.
There are a few things that I want to check. Let me do this. Yeah. Ui, why like that? Okay. Ui.
Spare key.
Okay. Put the key inside. Put this far away.
Mm-hmm.
It shouldn't lock up. There's a key.
No, because the key is inside. The key is inside for
So
safety.
it won't lock, right?
It won't lock.
But somebody told me it will.
No,
That's
no,
why
no.
I'm testing
No, no,
it.
no. Because the key is inside.
Wait,
You have to try both the keys.
Why cannot? Can't lock here.
Press the key.
Okay. So the car shouldn't lock with the key inside. Press.
Oh, nice.
Okay. Shouldn't lock. Okay, one more time. How? Okay, I want to close this thing. I want to lock the car. Okay, car is locked. So I come here. Sekejap lah, bos. Okay. So car remain locked. This thing shouldn't lock, right? If I close.
You mean the car is locked?
Yeah.
Car won't be locked.
It won't lock.
Yes.
I try with the key there. Oh.
Because the key is inside, yeah.
So it's auto unlock.
Yeah.
How come somebody showed me a video that the car lock?
Maybe different car. Maybe not this car. It won't lock one. It won't lock. Standard.
Yeah, but that car lock.
That one maybe Proton lah. Maybe lah.
Maybe setting lah. Okay lah, boss, you boleh buat.
Wow, nicely done. Nicely polished. Very nice color.
This is a real unboxing, right?
Yeah.
This is seriously
Every year you're unboxing
a new car.
a new car.
Yeah, but this time I'm moving away from Mercedes GLA 35 AMG, which I call cuckoo car, right?
Yeah. Good car.
So let's do my round unboxing. It's off-road car, bro, so you have to be a bit round, okay?
Right.
Boleh tak?
Yeah. Because it's gum.
Gum, the plastic lah. Yeah. You don't help to take out the plastic.
You
Yeah.
I thought she was.
Yeah.
Boss, I help you take out the plastic.
Yeah.
Wait. We are doing the unboxing.
Yeah. Take out the plastic. Help him.
See why this key don't out?
That one is a spare key, Daniel. Spare key.
No, but the physical key.
No, you have to put in. Later he will teach you how to.
I teach you.
Oh, this one is the
Because when
Maybe.
we are out of the battery,
I know. Okay.
Later he will.
so we actually can put here.
Then you can put it there lah.
Okay. So I put the key inside.
很美哦，那个锁匙。
Plus
几两了？交了。
交了差不多100两这样子。
你的 branch 这里啊？
我们的 branch。
哦。
Oh, this one you just put in like that only.
Yes.
Just like that.
Yes.
And then cover it up.
Cover it. Yes.
Press from the top or press from the
Press.
just push down.
Yes.
That's all.
Yes.
Keychain for down. No free keychain ah.
Keychain got a nice one. So I remove all the plastic first.
Okay. Okay.
Wow, special
Cleaning.
cleaning from a guy. Yeah. Wow. Okay.
Unboxing.
Thank you, huh? Thank you.
Unboxing bro. Unboxing.
Later you should take some pictures, more pictures with the car in front.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow.
Let's do the unboxing first.
Wow. Very high quality, huh? Look nice, very premium, huh?
It looks
Is this
like-
a off-road car or what? It look very premium, huh?
You know why I dress like this?
How why?
It's off-road car and we are going to the beach after this.
Yeah.
We're gonna drive straight into the water.
Wow, look at the screen, huh? So huge, huh? How many inches, huh?
14 inch ah.
Yes.
14, 14, ah.
14 inch, and you notice that this thing is now black color. It used to be white in the original CBU unit, but now it's white.
Wow. Bau kedai, oh.
Yeah, very strong bau kedai. Bro, don't have screen protector ah?
This one don't.
Walao, give me one lah.
Haven't buy it. Okay, after that I buy for you. During a free service, I help you to do.
Oh, okay. 1,000 free service ah.
Yes.
It will include changing all the oil, everything ah.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So, anything else I should be checking? The mat is there. The mat is there. The floor mat is there. The spare tire. Oh, this one become one piece already. Used to be two pieces.
Yes.
Spare tire, and the spare tire kit is here, and the inside there.
And previously here got two compartments. They also reduce so we have bigger space.
Yeah, okay. The tool is there. This one is what is this? The red color release. What is this? Oh, yeah, this one is actually the lock. Oh, so you mean after I push all the way in, like,
So, Mr. Daniel, bro, do you like this car? You like it?
so far so good,
Yeah. Okay. What are the comments that you would like to, tell us, the audience, about this
Let
car?
me try it for 1 month or at least the first 1,000
Yeah.
kilometers and see how this thing perform. Compared to the, like I said, right, Mercedes AMG that I used to have.
Okay.
I hope the quality is good, the engine is good. That's more important, right? The inner part is more important. So that will give a good confidence whether
Yeah. This video will going to be a hit, huh?
I hope so.
Yeah.
So the sunroof. Off-road car, you must
Yeah.
climb, bro.
Okay.
Okay, let's start the engine. Oh, the sound's also not bad.
Thumbs up.
The sound is not that noisy.
You can have few sound, the exhaust. No, only one,
Only one.
Only one. Okay.
Uh,
Wow, look at the screen, so colorful, so nice.
where is the fan speed? Auto. Oh, here.
He will help you, Daniel,
Huh?
later he will help you to go through the car. So one more, you go in front. Before we end the video, it's almost 50 minutes.
Where? What in front? The front light?
Yeah. Stand
The
with
lights
the.
are on.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Your name is it? Oh, wow. Okay, stand here in front of the car. Yeah. Yeah. Pose. Yes.
Happy day? I hope so.
Wow. Off-road car, really. Yes, good.
Thank you very much.
Okay, jump.
Jump.
Jump. One more. Okay, jump.
Later on my money drop.
Yeah. This is the first in
One,
two.
3.
Yay. Okay. Say bye-bye.
No.
Buy another one.
Say welcome to Jaecoo.
Yeah.
Welcome to Jaecoo. Later we post to social media.
Okay. Congratulations.
Thank you.